I'm standing outside of my TR6. I just started it up in the morning, about 5 minutes from the house. This is a well-tuned, valve-adjusted TR6 that I can start standing outside of the car with my feet on the ground. Check it out. Sound of the electric fan that's turned on. You can barely hear the valve ticking. It's been adjusted properly. Now we're going to go for a long ride. Sound of a well-tuned TR6. Runs exhaust idling at 950 RPMs. Freshly tuned, valve adjusted, ready for a ride on this Tuesday, June 9th, I believe it is, 2020. I was a little off in the RPMs. They're at 850. And so when at a idle, the electric fan kicks on, drops down to 800 RPMs. Getting ready to get on the freeway, running for about an hour. This is Highway 60 eastbound. 33, we just clicked it in the overdrive. We dropped down to 2,700 RPMs, 70 miles an hour, all day long. Love it. This is a pre-run to check how everything is set up. Just had a complete tune-up. Plugs, wires, copper inner dizzy cap, rotor, electronic ignition, fuel filter, valves adjusted, tire pressure PSI 30 all the way around, getting ready to go from Southern California to Oregon for the all-tribe drive-in in Madras, Oregon, June 15th through the 19th, over 1,000 miles one way. So we always like to do a little highway test run to see how things match together. TR6 knows something is up because it's running strong. Preparation for some long distance touring. We'll be heading out at 3 a.m. to beat the traffic in the morning that starts at 4 o'clock a.m. Once we're on the other side of that, smooth sailing. It'll be like 10 hours to Weed, California, and then another 6 hours from Weed to Madras, Oregon. 16 hours total, roundabout. Probably, with stops, 18 hours or so. But looking forward to it as always. And we're on 60 East, going through this area called the Badlands. 25 miles west of Palm Springs, as far as location-wise. At any rate, I'm off because I'm getting back to 2 hands on the wheel driving, concentrating, focus. So, TR6 in it, get out your crayons, color us gone. It's about 10 a.m. Tuesday morning, June 9th. We're in Beaumont, California, just got off the 60, getting ready to go on the 10. Probably make a U-turn. Well, it looks like we might be getting off earlier than I thought because traffic is backing up here for some reason. Construction merging into one lane, so that's not what I had in mind for this little drive, so we will abandon this. Continue on this 10 westbound. Looks like this construction is ending and the lane should open back up momentarily. Back into cruising speed, 70 miles an hour, 2,700 RPMs overdrive.